first thing to do when it comes to brow lamination or lash lift is performing a patch test. Similar to the henna patch test, this must be performed at least 48 hours before the treatment itself. Start by cleaning the area behind the ear using the Supercilium Pro Cleanser. To conduct the test itself, take a silicone brush or a micro brush and apply a small amount of solution number 1, the relaxing solution, behind the ear. Follow this procedure with the second and third solutions, number 2, the Laminate, and number 3, the Nourishing oil, as well as the Bonding Serum if that is intended to be used. Remove the solutions with a cotton pad after 15 to 20 minutes. If itching, redness, burning, rash, swelling, blistering, or skin weeping occur during this time or the next 48 hours after the patch test, do not perform the glaze on lashes or brows. A patch test, however, is no guarantee that an allergic reaction will not appear in the future. This is because the human body can develop an allergy at any given time.